So still waiting for more movement on Germany 40 this morning. If we look at the daily time frame, we are at all-time highs and price just keeps sweeping the high, pushing higher, sweeping the high, pushing higher. And then the price action on the daily is just not strong enough right now to potentially keep buying. I don't want to keep buying at this area just as it's very wicky up here. And like I said yesterday, we've had a breaker structure, so I'm still waiting for price to pull back. We did have this demand here, but price didn't actually close above this, and it still hasn't closed above. The daily candle hasn't closed above any of these. So yeah, this is just part of it. Just got to wait for proper price action and sit in your hands and wait for the best setups. That's the best thing to do in these situations. There is news today. We got PPI, but that news event I still trade through, but there's no POIs to trade from anyway, so there's nothing really going on. From the 30-minute time frame, it looks good. We've had a breaker structure here. Then I wouldn't really class this as a breaker structure just because it is a breaker structure, but it hasn't really pulled back that much. So I'd still be working in this range. But to that, it looks all good. There's a nice POI here. Liquidity here to maybe go higher. But because of the daily time frame, I don't like it because of where we are on the daily. That's why it's always good to use the daily in this strategy. This may look good, but the daily doesn't look good for me, and especially after a daily breaker structure, I'm waiting for that pullback. So I'd rather take the cleanest setups and wait for the best setups than just trade just for the sake of it. And this is the situation we're in right now. So I'm going to wait for more confirmation. I need solid daily candle closure, pushing higher for possibly continue to buy, even though I don't really want to do that. But what I'm really looking for is a solid daily candle closure below here, or solid. If we get in this session, if we get clean push down here with, the model, then I'm happy to start selling. But again, I also need a good daily candle closure to confirm that as well, because I actually haven't had any clean daily candle closures. We had this yesterday's daily candle closure was nice. So, but with that daily candle closure, there isn't actually any good POIs to trade from. So that's why I'm still not happy with it. But yeah, that's it for Germany 40 this morning. Still waiting for cleaner price action and more clearer direction.